I need to yet ago.
Dialogue. Gada feature. Gada figante. I'm gonna go I broke one more obu like onya he ku ilekwe manya by my nature ono dem onko.
Yes.
But mo we say achogi me ku okwu wo ihe niile ka nge enwe opinion. Owo ibe mmadu na abushishe wo okwu ma ama isi em detinye onu. Ana agbaja ge nge ekwu okwu it means amam the genesis e kọrọ mu mama ekwuru okwu.
My sister, why you na apa na ma?
Gadame ekwu asiringa amarom gada listen now ana ekpebu mmadu ana meme mkpebu. Ana achom egbu. Mina gina mmadu nwe okwu igwa m anọ m from the horse's mouth. That means ị chọrọ ka m tinye ọnụ ma etinye ya ọnụ ya ọwụrụ biko ahụ ibiko iberibe ma ahụ ma ayọ onye ahụ chọọ ya egin onye achọkwanụ let the person face the consequences. There is consequences for every crime. And for Buzuzu Ibam Saga, I will. Then it is an man here for you there.
When you
Good. Onwe hege na Buzuzu na-eje gwara m ase eje dim ya obiko. Na mmadụ nwa ihe does not give you the permission itinye ya ọnụ. Iwotago the only way m ji dey involved na ihe abụ ihe gbasara nwanne anyị nwanyị. Just because I feel achọm ka ọ bata n'ọnụ ihe unu na-eme, but then ọ backfire and that's okay for me. I'm not complaining. I'm not one of si Buzuzu gbara m saga si je lụta
nwa. Nwanne nwanyị na ọgwara gị da ayọchitere.
Buza ibekwa.
Mba wo.
Gaddafi.
Gaddafi na egere gbachitere ihe aji backfire ya. Ọgwara gị ga-agbachitere ya. Ebe Gaddafi na agwa gị ga-agbachitere ya. Nwanne nwanyị na ọgwara gị ga-agbachitere. Onye ahụ ọnwụ nwanne gị karịa mụ.
Gaddafi
Gada.
I don't know energy. Don't do that.
Sometimes I never could know that space. Yeah, put your hand on, and I call from my short. Yes, this is past. Abraham honeymoon saga before. And they watch, I don't mind the H3 because of an advisor and I'm getting out. Yes, one day, maybe before. Learn how to speak. When you call a cocaine, not out your short, you can able to understand where she's going, you can able to understand the direction that she's heading to. Just a happy call land here. Imagine how you feel.
Number one. Number.
Lambo. Typical me, I will not come up, you know. Typical me.
My sister, I have to come back. I can come with the Shara and my Henny Leku on WhatsApp. I am not him nature.
Gaddafi Anama, Bella or Bella.
I'm here, you may enjoy as a senior system. You may pay on one day. One of the happen make woo.
This is next month.
One of the happen make woo. Now you do respect always. I am respect all.
This is August again.
No,
Lambo na ani leku.
Yes, yeah.
Lambo. Okwagun aso Igbo na, Igbo ga do kwa na clear like e was in aso Igbo na ona.
Iya ihe mro njo na show pon pudo yin na ala. Ihe niile na agba m here. Honeymoon na no dia. All my senior sister. Eme ya sa nwanne. Ọ na no dia na ebu ihe na na. Onwe be mbo me
honeymoon saga ka agba ya saga.
Why you doing this now?
You di get in na second in na make na make second. You di ejukule me second. What problem na my case na? What problem na case?
Gada yoronge bia gbatara m ọtụtụ gada yoronge ekemgbe aha bịa nkọsagoro gị na Buzuzu egbume.
Na ike gbukwala yoronge.
Gada nwanne m abịagwa m ya oge shi bụzụ ụzọ agbawu mere m obi agbatara m ọtụtụ. Abịagwa m ya.
Ị na-eme ka ọkọta time.
Ejiri ngo onye na-ezo ezo agba atani ọwa anụ. If not na Bella kwuru okwu kita m ji bogote on a normal onye ọbụla na-ekwe solve the problem ya.
Hold on.
Onwe ya akụkọ mama Ngozi m na-akọ ihe ihe m na-akọ owe eziokwu mana ọ na-aga ekweta.
Gaddafi, but you're supposed to allow her land. Allow her land first.
Okwuchana everything. Okwuchana.
Ọ
sị na ihe mere ihe asaga ajụ gbasa ya na were otu iro.
Because Gaddafi, hold on. The reason why you bagote yourself because of no one. Can I argue something?
You know I can't do it, you know, right?
Gaddafi, go do your message first. Go do your impulse.
Gaddafi, I'm going to go. Where are you going to go? I never got to get that guy.
hapụ ụzụzụ hapụ ọ na-eche ile ọnụ hapụ honeymoon ka ọ gbagote elu sha bụ ụzụzụ ihe ọbara ọnụ na njem ọ na-eti ọnụ na njem ọ na-eme nke enjoy gomi ya na-eti lasa ego ọbụna ọkwa senior sister m Steve ịkọchi m onye mbụ na idukwa ahụ eleke bụ ụzọ akarịala m gụwa wụ onye na-achọbụ help na asị mụnwa na-achọ help mụnwa I will
bring everybody down now. I go bring everybody down. I no problem because of everybody should go down first. Everybody should go down. Everybody should go down. Nobody should bring anybody up. Nobody. I don't want to say anybody here. All of you, stay down first. Take a breather. Ngono miri. Uchana habunu. I came here for myself. Unu neighbor says, Gaddafi can go give something no. Each only want a honeymoon na no na ha bashitere Muwa kpono since how many years? Mmadụ ole na-agbachitere m? How many people? Onya. See, make me. See, anybody will bring anybody up my box. Come on, say my boss. I don't need anybody in my box. I do not need anybody in my box. All of you, stay down. Stay down. When I finish, you can come up. I do not need anybody in my box. Now, only all who go to anybody. Napia moderator. Can watch I give him to Rigwadi? Buzuzu onye awere aja nishi. Honeymoon, if you're here, it's only honeymoon. I need to hear from now. If you're here, come back up. Come back up. Can I get something? Because Amamu dirara arana aba Buzuzu. Amamu you obsessed with me. Amam he only before Buzuzu. Because Amami here na chware him for. Amamu eja chware him. Odiko ampiara aramaho when nipples me ihore ya ije agbari up and down. Ije agbari no 2 seconds each ola habela. Eh? Buzuzu amam ihe na-eme gị amam. But put yourself together. Put yourself together. Sometimes, there's a reason. There's a reason. Because you cannot dazi ka ara na baziki ka werigi concrete na brain. Ka werigi concrete na brain. Ino kata no zuzuru yesterday. Ndi anyo fa agbaja ala gị. Ndị na-agbaja ga na-agbaja gị. Ina dazi ada gị na-achọzi ebe ga na-agoda aka. Ebe ga na-agoda aka. Ki you sound all sane. Meanwhile, you're insane. Ajola mundi madu neighbor. Onwona nye garaga sit down Buzuzu. Chisom iso na ihe a. Oluchi iso na this thing. Ndi niile wucha friends si Buzuzu. Adugo iso. Shin iso. Uno jola Buzuzu. What has Bella done to you personally, like one-on-one? What has Bella done to you? Uno jolly other question. Koti Geshim Zuzuru no bapta yesterday. Siwana Bella wu chekelek. Buzuzu chelek kangwazegi HS tialami I wasn't chekeleka. Isini gana nanke honeymoon. A block or honeymoon nanke na koeri. Honeymoon. I am not even a moderator at honeymoon's live stream. Ndị uchu ndị beribe ndị na-esogharị gị na keke ijiji na-ede yes Bella fear that girl this one and that one but ihe na-atọ ọchị because unu na-atụkwa m ụjọ unu eji una real account dekwe no Bella because mgbe m batara ebe ahụ cheke ndị na-akpọ di Bella aha ihe ga-ahụ a then zero following 1 following 0 following 0 followers ana-akọ eri. What is wrong with you, Buzuzu? What is, as in, can we wiggy? Hello? Can we wiggy? Let George breathe.
My George.
Come on, tell Apostle, are you mad?
What?
Come on, get out. Get out. I'm not here for anybody. Can we wiggy? 2 seconds no ikpurula ha Bella no ashiri gị Buzuzu or because no ichoro ka nani gị na anata ji ashiri nnatazi ji ashiri dị ti na n'ikpu gị n'ahụ. Why? My problem is why is the ashiri paining you? Mmadụ nụrụ ashiri. No, yeah. Can we repeat it again for people who are slow? Let me explain what ashiri means. Ashiri wo anotala ashiri. Ke ya. Ke false narrative. Ke bukte ya. Ke bo mado. That is the devilish ashiri, which is Buzuzu. My own ashiri wo nopete ya nopete. Tinye ya na corner. Try to settle it behind closed doors. Not to bring it out to kill people in the public. Now, come go on another classification of ashiri. Ashiri wo nkegi enupete gi were ya ga ebe na anara ego racha maka iche na ndị mmadụ dị iberibe ịpụta here imegi ichi ọchị kekekekekeke anụkwala m another one ọrụkwa n'ime na this story nke bịa dekwere m na GM rachakwa maka izu people spend ki ji anara ego ki short ya up and guess what? No only people we no because on her last I get booked ya. A person's problem here, see come with a the person. It's never me. I will never do that. But in Kegiwo, we take any case bataraginaka. But yet, in a sinamunyashi, in your name, this says, Ashri neighbor. But Nkegiji erin, Nkemeji erin. Nke mu nnọta dị ashịrị ndewe ya. At least mụnwa ashịrị nke m na hide to ya hide nke gị na hide ya hide because ị nwee shame. M kpọọla ara bụzụzụ gị nweta ịkpọọla ara m na-aka ashịrị gị nwa na-aka ashịrị onye ashịrị ibe m lekwe gị onye ashịrị ibe m. Now people wey still dey follow you around na-ezuzugharị. I don't hate you, Kangwakwage. I can't even hate anybody. I can't hate anybody. But guess what? Your character stinks. Your character stinks. You don't just come out and just spew rubbish. Sometimes when you're speaking, listen to yourself. Or maybe play your record when you're done and hear the kind of filth that comes out from your mouth. You don't even love yourself. You like it don't wegi. Preaching in Bible and say, love yourself like you love your neighbor. You can love yourself before getting a love on yours. If you have it, you will be nicer when you're coming out to address people. If you have it, when cases come to your table, you will take shape in here. But ime iji achị ọchị. Iji ya ndị mmadụ na-ebe akwa gị na-achị ọchị. Are you seeing that you're not normal? You're not okay. Jesus yesterday. Malicha, stay down. I don't want anybody here. I came out for myself. My brothers actually boom. Everybody stay down. When I finish, you can come up. I'm still going to work. But I just need this impeccable time. Onye mabuzuzu joya. Onweli hebela meregi personally. Iputara say, no, Namji Amos Steve, no one na cover Amos Steven. That I'm hiding it, that I'm suppressing it from coming out. Laya kangwa kono. Ntanta Steve na haya puta self. Because let me tell you, I know they support rubbish. Steve no kuni no higa no kwam. Giwa papta nke Pedro. And I know that you feel bad about it. And I know that because me na ge kwele ya, by yourself. See, apapta kwa nke giga hewe why because imere ya. So why is it that Amos Steve na age since okay? Can I no more now? Because that's no more now suppress the thing. Am I that strong to hold down people from Ishe Amos Steven? Am I that strong? I was in my Gadabachi Ruzo. Am I that strong? Amos Steven now see paptaya. Nami talk and bring it out. Unu book te jamu. Because megwara is not a bad thing. No. Steven na my guy, yes. Oh my guy, 100%. I know they use and play. Ozubo. We die there. As in, I will choose Steven over another person 1,000 times. I will choose Oluchi over another person 1,000 times. Yes, Ekote Mundi Kamike. But what will I do? These people are still not bad people. But uno put here, una ne dictate who should be friends with who should be that with that. I don't know here. I don't know here. Oh, this person is bad. Have you looked at your own self? Are you any better? Oh, avoid this person. Are you any better? Now, back to you, Buzuzu. Kangwachagi him cheregwagi. Adila stupid. Kangwagi Adila stupid. I won't munda name Ezuzu chaihe. I got hide one a corner. Who fear of Buzuzu. Fear of Buzuzu. I won't one of those people now told you. Buzuzu equally. Since Maragi, apart from Mumbai, Mina Gizuzu see, guide with a paper, they were long life and this and Kailoa di Kailoa wine and all that, all those things. That was when you were still normal. All of a sudden, you were blinded by things, common things that don't even make sense. Shoe, perfume, washer that you can afford. You were blinded. Is it? Mm-hmm. You were blinded. You were blinded by common things, little things that you can walk and make money and do yourself. But you were blind. You were too carried away. Ichifu said that na woke ga go on here. No, by myself. I don't have a man supporting me yet. I've not died. I'm working. I'm living comfortable. So why can't you do the same? So that because he in the marriage are working per second. That's the only reason. Nrochakwa nke mabia buru ya big gi sit kwe na table ahụ ejikwe gbara ga ashiri ejigbe kpokwara ga ashiri ewere oche hide gi were ya bịa gbajakwa mụ as bel onye iberibe. Thank God they save wele megum. Thank God they wepule m card m na TikTok ana m enyezi o nke nga meba mbiala around TikTok mfeba hala na box inye hala m kwe man save I know they do again. We're not all fools here. We're not all fools here. I cannot be helping you one way or the other. Every time you boot table, just sit down. Especially more when him merigi. And even if I did something to you, there are ways to approach the matter. There are ways. Stop behaving anyways, you wait out. Because don't your brain stop behaving like it out. Don't you wait out. Like I said, TikTok is a leveler. TikTok is a leveler. Because if TikTok is not a leveler, like sometimes nonsense which can nyama I go put myself inside. So yes, I'm taking accountability for that too. No more zuzuru fibata na this no mean and the madu no. On a norm, can you hear like on a norm? Let us even start from there. Because see my everybody now put here now brag. I'm one way now brag. I know they brag. Oru Akuibe ga say perfume ya feed the UD Johnson if I can remember. Have you seen my own perfume? Ofu perfume na da $600 one. So you should know that I can feed all of you. Just one. Ofu $600. Oru bragging side. But yet, I'm still humble. Yet, I'm still humble. I still come out here and play with everybody. When you putana say, Bella is proud, Bella is arrogant, Bella is this. Shoulder pad. I put her here. All I come out here to is to make everybody laugh. People who know me will know that that's what I do. I don't carry bad minds around. Nah, but I'm not showing amazing stuff with. No, now. Like I said, please, God, forgive me. I'm taking accountability for my own focus because now me carry myself enter this side. And that's something about toxicity. Stepping out from that area is usually hard. It's hard. It's easy. But God will give me strength. Somehow, I will start. I pull William out already. I started pulling out. Hey, this thing fine now. Skincare. I pull William out. Because I don't know why you will be amongst your own people. Per second, gina cho otigeshine etipia ha. That is your job. When he ketere buzuzo. Ke udiri konkrea weli na brain gi. Mburana. Mbrotu gi chori isokwe mbrotu. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Ashiri onkegi. Ina no 50,000 ashiri. No 5 gitiwe. Bella wonya ashiri. Kekweni yozo na romo nwa ashiri wan arona agbade gi buzuzu. Ani amikwe ono mnimi awata kwa msifita. Chireke. Ugwe kam na hadi fit of ma chineke mo. Kam gachi back to him nebu. Hey, God, I beg you. Hey, buzuzu when shame. Buzuzu when shame. It's lucky na man na hebu obi akpa gari. It's lucky. because him chere ịgwa gị juru na my brain, but I'm just na-ele anya because me na we no reach. Me and you know I mba. Ihe mere self ya atawala m onwe mota, we no reach. Do you understand? But I just needed to let you know that you're dumb. That's how dumb you are. I swear to God, that's how dumb you are, because you can't just come out and tell people that Bella is shakeleke. Meanwhile, the person you're saying that she's shakeleke, I'm not even a moderator there. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Buzuzu? Or just, hala Bella, ntiga kwuru amuga kwuru. Mba, ntiga na hakuzi oze ntantagi na akwu. Because oto nlelezi ganya kichozi ran by force. Hello? Buzuzu, ị ga-apụta gwa m ihe wiwe go. Ị ga-apụta gwa m ihe wiwe go. Ị ga-agwakwa m ya. Because ashiri ahụ iso m ashia. Ị ka m ashiri ashiri. So you must come out and tell people ihe wiwe gị. Ke ihe wiwe gị. Or because na mommy ga-ahapụla gị. Hey, can we go on another thing marrying recently? Hey, this is sweet me. Mommy, with 500,000 G Soma, thank your stars na that thing na your live stream. Because all no na live stream Buzuzu. Shishi no go see. Can we go again now? Shingba you no go see. Soma, guys sit like you're watching it. I don't even care how the money came or however my nyeregia for good for bad. I told them ma. Collect your money. But thank your stars say that thing no happen for Buzuzu live stream. That money, come boy, you no go see. Opoji le style, una na ama mbe Buzuzu the serious. Nde luna ya ma na church. Buzuzu gaga ekwu ya na church. Oputa jere de say Buzuzu Soma and Ifi them anarakwala mommy mu. Anarakwala mommy mu. All the quite serious, so if people are not taking him serious, better take him serious, because that's who he is. That's how he is. All these my people that I call my friends that I still see them now takoshes in there and make one or two with Buzuzu. I just look from far. At least you people have experienced them. All the newbies won't them because they don't know. Yesterday, now I remember just now. Yes, Simasha something about leadership. Did you people listen to that sermon? That was a very strong sermon. Did you people listen to it? If you listen to it and you understand that sermon very well, Uno ga boso. From ebe ahụ nọ unu che no unu na mmadụ nọ. If you listen to the meaning of leadership, you will takara also buru slippers gị n'ishimi ite gị. Ma m nwere ite nwere m net nwere something si na-ekpu n'ishi. Mgbe ahụ m na-asị ka m kpụrụ ite n'ishi. Ana m ekpuzi. I don't want to wear again because it was out of respect that I used to do that. I say, no, I'm not wearing it again. Not doing kuzirim that thing. And I make muzi. Doing bruit again. And I make muzi. Ngana put like this na wunia. Oh mado kaini lewu. Oku ki geku. Mle chekwe ki me pay life today. Wako maha. Mle chekwe gi. Ke hi geku. Ebrum dim. Yes. Nna agba ashawo. Yes. Nna akọ ashiri. Yes. Ihe niile n'ime na TikTok ọmụwa. Yes. Ke ihe ọzọ. Hey, ke eji m ntanta Steven. Yes. Ke ihe ọzọ ị ga-ekwukwenu na. Ke ihe ọzọ ị ga-ekwu nu chetere nu na. Ihe ọzọ. Ihe ole chọrọ ikpọ m no. Yes. M na-use the filter. Yes. I cannot cook. Yes. Ihe ọzọ awụm oke gbam yes ke ihe ọzọ abimami wọta gbam yes ke ihe ọzọ I love Pablo yes I unblocked Chekeleke yes in fact nke ahụ ka m like reserve so buzuzu cherekwe o so one Chekeleke mere gị gbara like this ofu meanwhile 10 accounts na-achụgharị anyị here 10 accounts ọ wụdị one mgbe ha chọrọ ịpụta ha na-adị like ya ka aja wụpụta nọ na-emu anyị ya but you're fine with it but one person Chekeleke wụ ihe na-ata gị n'ahụ one person ofu Chekeleke a ishi from Pedro gifere si n'ọwụzi Pedro si n'ọchọma ọwụzi chọma ikpa another person nke yesterday isizi n'ọmụnwa meanwhile ebe a na-ekwu ukwe I am not a moderator there. You see how dumb you sound. You see how stupid you sound. Mother akpọ gị gị just no kata no gị tụtụ aha akpọwa ekoro gị ebe a gị chọọ onye ọzọ ị ga-ekoyi. Buzuzu, let me ask you a question now. When Softly Beautiful came out here, because this is a very important question, when Softly Beautiful came out here and said, that's now Stephen C. Oji Amo Tasty, Oji Amo Omaicha, Oji Amo Bella, why didn't you fight for Tasty? Hapuze because the way he did, Hapuze Omaicha, maybe like Omaicha. Your bindi with Tasty. Why didn't you fight for her? Why? I want to ask you that question because Tasty is your friend and your fellow friend came out to label an accusation outside. Why didn't you ask her, KB Shimwete, this thing, do you have proof? Let me ask you that question. Because because I want to get Luchi, Mowe Steven, Ndahi ji alu oko. Those people, Iji alu samogo. I want to get when has something like this happen, hey, fold their hands. Oluchi will never, Steven will never. But you, everything he went around you, all for the benefit's sake. More benefits in a whoopia. Your own person, biabia kwage that's na. Eji na say auto tasty, eji autumn, eji. You never addressed it for 1 second. This thing. You never addressed it. Why? That is now the question mark. Why? Unu ga back. Unu ga joy that question. Why? Because this is his friend. No. You cannot protect your friend. That is that example of all of you now hanging around him. Mind you, I'm not fighting you, Buzuzu. But I'm just trying to remind people the kind of person you are. Like I said, I don't need to say too much. I'm going to bring my brothers back up. Kaha buto puzegi. Apa hine bigi birizi agawa. Igebe gidakwa. Igebe kwa. Igebe kwa akewu. Igebe kwa kokoko. Habu wezegi. Because the whole time they've been doing all these things, I've just been in the corner just watching. I was not for anybody. Because at the end of the day, Mina Steven Abala saga. Saga. Steven potawa. Aga paricha nelu inya. Aga parem. Potunku ubwa, Ana abu ni ame were popcorn. Were popcorn no lo. And I'll go and buy more. Were ice cream. No truck. I'm going to no. Were ice cream. Were my house full. Ani mi am utakam geshi na cross open. Because you're not supposed to be pitied. Because you don't pity anybody. You don't pity anybody. And when my cheese balls safe. Is it crackers? It's crackers. And crackers. And crackers. Sugar dumpling. And designer stew. When vegetable soup. Like in him free Jim Jureju. So that all say Iba kangano. Because you don't deserve any pity from anybody, especially from me. Because he will him 99 times. You've killed me 99 times. Woki bim, mba, wanyi bim. Wanyi bim, buzungwa, wanyi bim. Na ba ashiri give yaputa, ashiri ni lebela knows. But give one with the organ of the ashiri. But yane wegi we na muama di ashiri ahima. Make it make sense. Are you this dumb? This ima kwaya. Why is my own paining you? I want to ask that question. That's another why, by the way. Because no jukwa buzuzu. Number 2, why? Yawama 1,000 asheries. Mwa 10. But yane we na the 10 Jukwa niya why? Why in kahoja for you? That's another why. Question mark number 2. Why? And care kadinjo no okay. No okay. Uno hulam gam set the table. Ne na table with a chair. Say today. Mchori baja mado. Come on now. 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 In fact, come now. Come on now. You go carry table, carry chair, sit down. Within the mado na baja. You got a threat no matter. I heard your story. Better come out now. If not, I will saga you. It was any name makwaya. Ebromia last week. Autumn recap prayer. Ebromia last see. Yini nunu nezuzu neche nunu mamuwa. Unu mama story. Ama kwa mkuno. Ashiri. Kana baje ashiri. Oni hozo dano kwan. Buzu zamam. Imeri nya just last week. Ino na agwa madu. Come out. If you don't come out, I was diki diberibe. Buzuzu of the Most High. Katuwa gojo. Uno na tu keke drive gojo. Uno wouldn't be beribe. Ndani na tu yuju wouldn't be beribe. Uno na tu keke drive gojo. Yay! Una shame they shame me. Una shame they shame me. Autumn, please. Remember this recap because picture otamde just here like this. Can you see Autumn? There were only fools who believe these things you spill out from your mouth. Maybe the newbies who come around here, they are the ones who believe all the nonsense. Everybody knows that you're full of lies. Lies. Everybody knows your heart is not clean. Your heart will be the hocha. Because I will not be the hocha. It really be mad in here. Igilanya nazo. Meya. Ina ilanya nazo. Then the ones you call your own friends, ane buha, give food akage. They were smart. Muna the smart. Mahena say, fight your fight. Don't have problem fighting. That is a manipulative person speaking. That is a highly manipulative person speaking. That is a person who does not value friendship. Oh, you put that in. Maybe if I have like 10 cases on this app, 9 no put no because nachi bachi 3 mado because I chom ke boom mado. Achom ke boom mado. But unkeki inachi buha. You're a covert narcissist. Go and read it up. No one may agree here. Go and read it up. Go and read up what a covert narcissist is. Go and read it up. That's who you are, Buzuzu. That is who you are. Sister, that's who you are. The Christian prayer, that's who you are. Help. That's who. Lenum. Omua. I beg, Uzuzu, please go and take a seat somewhere. If you don't know what to do, if you want to, yes, I'm ready for you. I'll still come out and still. See, it's because I'm getting ready for work. I would have schooled you today. Schooling. I would have schooled you today. Since everybody are now log now, it's washishi. Me, I would have personally schooled you today. I don't have time. I just wanted to clear something to let people know how stupid and dumb you sound when you were claiming that I was Chekeleke. Meanwhile, I am not even the Chekeleke. I am not even a moderator on Honeymoon's live stream. I am not. I've never been. So, anyways, my brothers, and then because he could say, na suppress amo Stephen, odika, okay. Na ejide amo Stephen, kedu diri beibe nemegi. Kedu him is in sense. Asekwa umada, asekwa 5,000, asekwa 5,000 ase. Like who do you this? You no go better for him. You no go better for him. Susuru ka also. Susuru gine she got. She got. 2 seconds to show belly na baha. Nwezi ihe ozi na arụmọrụ ihe obela. Ni ipe.
That boy. All the that boy. Finish the boy. He's a stupid boy. Finish me.
Siblings, Mama. This is yes, of course you can come up, sugar plum. I'm not about sugar dumpling. Sugar plum. You can come up. You can come up. Ndemadu Zuzuru Kenoreba. Zuzuru. Oluchi Mwetegi. Ndemadu Zuzuru Kenoreba. Yes, it's Bella. It's a dumb set of people. It's the dumb. Your followers, the dumb. No people calculate 1 and 2. I'm closing today. I'm closing today.
When are you closing?
Closing 9:15.
Oh, okay. See you later.
You?
Manabella, because we ask and when you Basara, I'm with Pepe.
Pablo, can you need job now?
You're smart. Yeah, good.
What's the milk when you will? What's the milk? When you Basara, I'm with Pepe.
When you Basaram, or just go. Now, Moana, Koto Shikoda said, no money, age down, I'm sitting. I'm not acquiring, no.
So Pablo begin as you don't know Pablo to begin there.
Let's see that.
I don't know that I got to go on a Bagasaga steady now.
You're not able to zoom a banner.
When you go to on a Babella Saga steady now. On a boy without nothing, sir. Yeah, Pablo Najuna. On a boy Saga, on a boy without nothing, sir.
Bella.
On a boy Saga.
Why are the boss?
Bella, I'm trying to go John Jorgen. Is it most? Was also the poor guy for Kiga reply? In that depth ear. Only women.
But Nicolo, that come something. Imana onya na no per second, year to year, right? And maybe no maybe 50 times. And I've not come out. Maybe this is my second time coming out for Buzuzu. Do you get? And that is to tell him that my guy, I didn't hear. I don't send your papa. Like, because a lot of times Buzuzu may feel that na God chuba mad with fear. I don't know if you understand. And no one has said, because the only reason why a lot of people don't comfort Buzuzu with fear, most of the times. Most of the times, yes. That is the only reason why they cannot face him squarely. They cannot face him squarely. Do you understand? Muma, at some point, in later the thing, I say, oh, Bella, calm down, Bella. I married this morning. No one man game. Yesterday, sir, come later the thing I church. Just to them say, I don't know about this boy. Onania de maina madu no nagari. Do you understand? I just want him to know that he's a nobody. He's a nobody because on Buzuzu's table, Moko be man who roll 1,000 times. Manke basa manke na basa hum omunyaham.
Exactly.
So on our home winning. See, it's just unfortunate that, like I said, TikTok is a leveler. Again, on a norm, former keke driver. But because we are just in the proximity, we're in the same confined space. If you okay, no, in a former. Your followers and Bella. Una hapo kwa nojo.
Ndonu kuz.
Yeah? Actually, ka Buzuzu na-emepe. In fact, him chọrọ na-eme ya na mepe ntu tebụl ya ahụ. O buru oche ahụ o ji nata ego ashịrị. Ọkwa ego ashịrị mere o ji nata ihe mere o ji nwee oche ahụ.
Na but ikwu gị ya kwukwe so oche ọ na-anọ na ego ashịrị.
It's not free. It's not, oh, Buzuzu, I love you, take chair. You don't whine? You don't whine?
Bella, it's not someone I'll go Buzuzu mommy.
Mommy.
Mba, Bella kwuru ọkwa eziokwu. Based on the woman, the onye ọ gwara nke awụ ote ịma na-ama anọkịta abịa akọ. Onye the woman gwara. Buzuzu ga-afụ Tamarawa na bọs, Tamarawa na-agbaje. Onwe ya ọ ga-emenwu Tamarawa.
Migolo. O nwere ike stọngị ikpe chọsiri iji Somadịla mere big summit. Ọkpọkpọ awards.
Mgbe na ọ ga-emenwu ihe na ọ ga possible.
Ana amachakwa na ịma Somadịla ihe nwa na
Buzuzu. Reason o nyere wu na Buzuzu na-afụ Tamarawa na P-Baby na bọs agbaje onwe ya Buzuzu ga-emewe. Now I go Buzuzu. Okay, we just the genesis and what be here for.
Someone na try question. O dey quick about mommy saga na live stream. O na wo.
Daddy ya na mommy nwetara adugo. Mommy ri nke na kwe mommy do thunder fire you mommy ri. Daddy nwetara adugo. Strong equal, that is strong equal. Motara do na life for Somadina.
Okay, when I saw life Somadina on there,
Children na can play Turobia now.
So they play around because
I've already unfollowed yourself.
No,
I'm gonna do Kadugo Marana, I'm going to unfollow that day.
You mean in here?
A quadum Kana Buku Mutaziana Bunana.
Somadina can record.
I have told this thing.
I have a contact to you phone here or contact me and them mother. We and the mother need a soccer. The mother not trying to have phone number.
In a year like this, Kita, your niggas now want to know to go. Why you against it? Why?
You play, you make paying one. You play, you make paying one. What are you doing there?
ajụjụ ka njikọrọ ga-akpọkwana ikpe enyi nwaanyị akpọkwana ikpe enyi nwaanyị ebe atọ ndị agbagbukwa ego ịmụ nwere niile mụ na gị na-ekwu okwu enyi gị nwaanyị
etigoro n'ọgba aghara
ị na-ayị ara enyi nwaanyị ga-akwụ ebe enyi nwaanyị kwụrụ enyi nwaanyị eme ihe atụ enyi nwaanyị eme ihe atụ
afụkwa m ihe ime na o nwere chanel Gaddafi na-aga gị isi ebe a kpọpụta ya nwaanyị aka n'ọnụ si ebe a pụta afụkwa m ihe ime na afụkwa m ihe ime
nke chanel timu na ka m gwa gị dị chanel ọfụma onwekwa onye mfoto
Nicole, since it's most pepper rejected, how long you want?
George, because you are invited, I gave me pay our club official this evening as one of our social club. Because you are invited. Nigeria time 7.
I would have been a man when I emigrated.
Mikolo to Gaddafi ne Obakwa.
Okay, about my friend, I do every space. Every man can put you but to can even have my join as an order.
Ebe ka mbere akwa.
That's why yes, I take a from the other day, but I can join but I think they are joining all. I'm my joining group. I'm my former. Play yaram nonsense, I hate you play with him.
Nobody take that table.
Coco.
What am I ever at 7 again? I receive.
I got some really now. If I got some new. This is who we have. My brother, I'm not about myself in your job. Oh, in your job now. And when I got on a bone, I don't know who quarter township. So catch on.
I'm trying to follow you, but I can't follow me good.
Lega one them. Lega.
Dalo. Okay, George, I'm trying to follow you. I don't know what's wrong. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, you follow. You know they happen. I don't know. I think I'm only following you on my main account. Now, Dalo kwa no more. I beg. I greet everybody. You go. No, you mota ha wala no na.
Kemoto.
Ano gam gre.
Ega anikbu. Kanji don't know. Gaddafi ti
I'm a man. Otu one legal. But we
rubbish dada.
I'll go away and complain about my people. Igbo now, Igbo are the wrong one.
No, do that thing. No involve passing. No. Like that. Oh.
The way you were so involved in it, you were so involved. I don't want you to be involved like that.
No involve passing. No, do that thing. No involve passing.
Like that.
Oh, we are serious here now. I can't.
Yeah, serious. You don't get my metro.
I can't now. That nonsense. Man, say stop, now, stop.
Talk to her normal now.
Stop. Oh, I can't. That nonsense. That's why you.
It's on now. Do you see it? Are you not feeling it?
Stop.
Are you not feeling it?
Let's go back. Mommy, you see?
Where respect? Go back where? Go and who? Where respect?
Believe in this boy, you sabi lick ass. I don't say that nonsense, so. You must know I never say that nonsense. Don't say that nonsense anybody for this app. And they do speak for me. I know they follow person lick ass. Don't say they do that nonsense.
If I do go me promise, I never follow my lick ass. And why you can't do the
is in every platform. So far now, that platform where instant ads, it pays.
Can it pay? Like, you making a post just